Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to read third part of chapter 6, and the name of chapter 6 is Dignity, or you can say Dignity of Labor. In the previous classes we have seen that Ria realized the importance of the work that our helpers do. We have seen about occupation and social work. We have seen grandma ask Ria wants to know, and we have seen some part of domestic help, and we have understood about the sukram. Now we are going to read page number 28. So students, open page number 28 in your EBS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Here you all can see Kashiram is a washerman. He washes and irons clothes. So he is Kashiram. What does he do? He washes and irons clothes. So, Kashiram is a washerman. He washes clothes and after drying clothes, he irons those clothes. Now, let's see about Neetu. Neetu is a maid servant. She washes clothes and utensils and cleans floor in many houses. So who is she? She is Neetu. Neetu is maid servant. In many houses she washes clothes and utensils or dishes and rubs on the floor and also keeps houses clean. Now let's see about Raghu. Raghu is a milkman. He delivers milk at people's houses. So you can see he is Raghu. So Raghu is a milkman. He delivers milk to people in many houses. Now let's see about Jamal. Jamal is a newspaper boy. He is Jamal and he is a newspaper boy. He delivers newspapers and magazines in the morning. In the afternoon, he goes to school. He is a student of class 12th. So, Jamal is a newspaper boy. He reaches out to people in newspapers and magazines. He is a student of class 12th. So, in the morning, he delivers newspaper and magazine to everyone's home, and in the afternoon, he goes to his school. We must respect all these helpers. Imagine if the sweeper does not remove the garbage from the street and our homes, how would we live in an unclean and unhygienic environment? Here you all have to underline unhygienic. Unhygienic means not clean or sanitary. So we should respect all these helpers like Sukram, Kashiram, Neetu, Raghu, Jamal and others helpers. Just imagine if the sweeper does not remove Garbage from the house and from the road can be live in such an unhygienic and unclean environment? No, we can't live in an unclean and unhygienic environment. So we should respect to these helpers. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see grandma asked and Ria wants to know. So thank you class.